Hey, good morning, gang. And today what I want to do is I'm going to take my first morning blood sugar. So I have a confession to make. Is yesterday it was my son's 11th birthday, so we went out to eat. I had a crappy meal. I ate half the cake, and then what I did is we went to a baseball game and I actually had a beer. So I'm nervous about this because I know my glucose is going to be high. This is my first morning prick. I haven't done any blood checks at all this morning, and it is it's about 7 a.m. here in Minnesota. So here I am. I'm going to be doing the prick. You're going to see my dog running around. So I put this meter in here. Okay, so it's reading here. It's going to stay 0. I'm going to prick my finger. Okay, so you can see that little spot of blood right there. Get the meter. Okay, it's going to be over 100 for sure. Okay, so you can see that it's 104. So I thought it was going to actually be worse than that, but so I'd like to see my glucose in like the low 80s in the morning. It is still high. What's my point in this whole thing? My point in the whole thing is, we're all human beings. We all have our weaknesses. We're all going to fall off the horse. The thing is, with that being said, is when you fall off the horse, you need to get back on the horse because you know what needs to be done. So that's really the takeaway. I can feel it like in my gut today. I feel like a little bloated. I feel like my brain is a little foggy as well. But that's what the power of the glucose meter is. 104 is backwards. I know it's backwards on the video. Is you can monitor this stuff, and then you just have to realize, hey, what did I do? What can I change today? Because there's nothing that you can do from yesterday. There's nothing, you can't change the past, right? The only thing that you can actually change and move forward is in the future. So anyway, with that being said, I hope that brings you some value. And our dog's name there is Winnie. You can see that she has the soccer ball because she wants me to start kicking the soccer ball right there. And that's my wife. Oh, you're in the video now. You're gonna be on YouTube. My wife's gonna be on YouTube now. Okay, so love you guys. Peace out.